Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel your beIN Sports subscription. Let's get started. Method 1. Cancel a beIN subscription on official website. Log in into your account at official website. Click My Account on the top right corner. From the drop-down, select My Account. Click Subscription and Purchases. Select your current subscription. Click Cancel Subscription. Choose a cancellation reason and click Confirm. Follow the prompts to cancel your plan. Method 2. Cancel beIN subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Select beIN app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel a beIN subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select beIN app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And you are done. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please hit a like button and please support us by giving thanks support. See you in the next video.